Good evening, ma'am.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। कैसे हैं सब?
अच्छे हैं।
ओके, स्टार्ट करो।
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Ashwini Jadhav, and today I am talking about recreational story. And my story name is Successful Sonam. In a village called Rampur, a girl named Sonam was living with her elder grandmother. Her house condition was very bad. Her grandmother was also very ill. Sonam was in charge of the house. There were some big industrial companies near her house, as well as some chemical industries. These companies started discharge sewage from their company into river, and the effect was visible to the people. People started getting sick and dying. Environment also got polluted. Sonam observed this and decided to complete her education and overcome this problem. She completed primary education from the village and went to city for her higher education. After that, she started working in a small house in the same town. Her one day her boss and teammate got to know about her dream and started helping her to develop Rampur. Her boss, Mr. Vijay Patil, helped to join the municipal corporation as a social worker. She developed the school and hospital of the village, seeing such a change in the village. People of the Rampur started loving her and ultimately elected her as the next Sarpanch of the village. Afterward, she continued her work for the development of her village. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा था। नेक्स्ट रूपाली।
Hello, my name is Vasanti Jadhav. Today I am talking about a kidnapper story. There was a there was a small child named Ram. He was on the way to his school. He had just crossed the road. He was left with a very small distance, but a kidnapper came and used chloroform to make him faint. The kidnapper took them with them. They took to a very dark and dirty room. When the Ram woke up, he saw that he was tired with ropes from the bottom. He was not good in health and was asking for the help. He was hungry. Kidnapper went there by opening roofs of Ram and and also by loving him in a room, but they forget to lock the windows. He wrote on the paper and threw it out. He had written that today I was going to the school and kidnapper came and kidnapped me. Please help me. After a few minutes, kidnapper came at the some time. A man read the message that was written by Ram. He then called the police and finally Ram was saved. After that, the police called the parents, and the parents were not in fine condition by listening about Ram. They thanked you police and went home after that leave, and there was their own. Thank you.
वेरी गुड वासंती, नाइस। मेरे को पसंद आया, वेरी गुड। ओके, नेक्स्ट। चलो स्टार्ट करो।
My name is Sadamika, and today I am talking about the hijack story. My name, my character name is Rohan. Rohan living in a small village. Uh, Rohan is very smart boy.
Since he wants to study in a big college,
Hmm.
he, he decided to go to a big college in Dubai for education and lives in next day. He he then sit in the train when train arrives and after a while 4 to 5 thieves board board
Use what?
the train.
But
They surrounded the train and removed the gold and silver ornaments as soon as possible. They uh, fat- frightened, frightened people by saying that it will be be very bad if they do not do that. Rohan see all this and after saying all this he feels very bad and pity the people so the decide in his mind that he decide to do something to save the people. He un- unknowingly calls the people police without telling the thieves and say we are in a lot of trouble. They surround as us. Please come as soon as possible, save us and catch the thieves and they put them in jail. After a while, the big police come and catch the thieves and the later the throw thrown into person. Uh, then everyone is happy. People thank Rohan for helping everyone, and he thanks people. And when he gets to his place, he goes to one. He goes downstairs and leaves. Thank you.
ठीक है अनामिका, अच्छा था, मगर और अच्छा करना है, ठीक है? सेंटर में आओ पहले, उधर नहीं भागो। पहली बात, जितना अभी किया है उससे और बेटर करना है, तो अभी और क्या है, और प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है अनामिका। अभी जितना किया है ना, ये भी बहुत अच्छा कर रही हो, मगर और अच्छा करना है। और अच्छा कैसे करोगी? और प्रैक्टिस करके आओगी, ठीक है? अभी प्रैक्टिस करती रहो, जब तक अच्छा नहीं हो जाए, फ्लुएंट ना हो जाए, बिल्कुल बिना रुके रुके जब बोलने लग जाओ, इतना फ्लुएंट होना है, ठीक है? तो प्रैक्टिस नहीं छोड़नी है अनामिका, ठीक है? बाकी अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे। चलो, नेक्स्ट कौन है? कस्तूरी।
My name is Kasturi Gura, and today I am talking about horror story. It
हम्म,
was dark and stormy night. Sona was 14 years old. It was the 2nd of January at 12 at 2 a.m. Sona woke up to a knock on the door.
हम्म,
One knock after every 3 seconds. Sona wore her slipper and walked down the stairs.
हम्म। सोना वॉक डाउन द स्टेयर्स।
As Sona walked down, the knocking on the door got faster, almost like a heartbeat.
हम्म,
When Sona got to the door, the knocking stopped. Sona looked
outside and nobody was there. Sona went back to her room and went back to bed thinking it just some kids playing a part. After some time, won't wake up to the front door. As Sona walked down, the knocking on the door got faster, almost like a heartbeat. When Sona got to the bed door, the knocking stopped. Sona looked outside and nobody was there. Sona went back to her room and went back to bed thinking it was just some kids playing. After some time, won't wake up to the front door. Sona jumped. Sona looked over at the foster window to find a smile written all over it in the house. Sona Sona, Sona see her phone next to me, read the call, all the find to smile. Sona cried and ran for her life running outside. As soon as she got outside, she knocked on her neighbor's house across the road. They answered and helped me while speaking. They phoned the police at exactly 5:40. The police came to Sona's neighbor's house for after an extensive search of her home. They told she there had been had been of anyone in Sona's house otherwise her. The message of the window was gone, the same as her phone. They told her to get some sleep and advised her to see the doctor about the strength and problem. But Sona but Sona knew that happened to her was real. The following evening, after spending the day at her neighbor's house, she went home. She went up to her bedroom and set up a camera. It was at her bedroom door and her bed. She set it to record that went to sleep. Thankfully, she slept through the night.
एक मिनट लास्ट में ना, एक मिनट अगर स्टोरी, एक मिनट, उसको पता था कि वो जो उसने सपना नहीं देखा है वो रियल में हुआ है ना? है ना? यही हुआ ना?
हाँ
हाँ, तो पुलिस ने बोला, जब वो पुलिस आई तो उसने देखा कि विंडोज वगैरह पे कुछ भी नहीं था, है ना? वो हट गया था एंड देन वापस, बट शी न्यू कि वो हुआ है, दैट वाज फॉर द रियल, बट पुलिस को नहीं पता चला। पुलिस वाज लाइक कि ठीक है, दैट कुड बी योर इमेजिनेशन, है ना? सो नेक्स्ट व्हाट हैपेंड उसके बाद वो मुझे समझ नहीं आया, एक बार दोबारा बताओगी?
हिंदी में बोली ना।
हाँ, नहीं, फिर क्या हुआ? मतलब अब उसको पता था दैट वाज फॉर द रियल, उसके बाद वाली लाइन से एक बारी दोबारा पढ़ दो, मुझे समझ नहीं आई। जहाँ पे ये था ना, वो लाइन जो है ना, जहाँ पे शी इज थिंकिंग दैट इज फॉर द रियल, बट पुलिस सेड कि नहीं, ये तो तुम्हारा इमेजिनेशन है, वहां से पढ़ो। हाँ।
The following evening, after spending the day at her neighbor's house, she went up to her bedroom and set up a camera.
हाँ।
Set up a camera. It was at her. It was. It was. मैम इधर की लाइन को छोड़ It was aimed at her bedroom door and her bed. She set to it to record and went to sleep. Thankfully, she slept through the night. However, as she watched the footage, she could believe that he saw in the morning when someone crawled out from under her bed. She was a completely naked and, and nude man. She stood up and took looked at her on the bed. She did so. She did so for another hour, not moving at all. When he moved, he walked over to the camera until his face looked took up more than the whole shoot. He was extremely plain and had big views all over her head, and his eyes were completely black with a huge smile on his face. He at a camera for another 2 hours, not blinking, just lied whistling and his head now and again after 2 hours. It him staring with passing her, walking back over to her bed and crawled back under. She slipped the video forward until it showed. She get up and walk over the camera when the video is finished. She was frozen with fear. The video showed him going back under but not leaving whatever it was still her there. Thank you.
ठीक है, अच्छा था। लास्ट में थोड़ा मेसअप हो गया, लास्ट में सारे ऐसे
मेरे को आया।
लास्ट में मेसअप हो गया बहुत ज्यादा। स्टार्टिंग वाज रियली गुड, बीच में एक इंटरेस्ट डेवलप हो गया था। लास्ट में अगर थोड़ा सा बेटर होता ना तो वो पूरा एंड तक सस्पेंस कैरी होता। लास्ट में थोड़ा मेसअप हो गया। लास्ट के जो लास्ट एंडिंग है उसको बेटर बना सकती है, बट आइडिया लगा ना कैसे करते हैं। दैट इज द मेन थिंग जो समझ में आना चाहिए कि आना चाहिए कैसे करना है। बाकी नेक्स्ट यू कैन इम्प्रोवाइज बाय योर टाइमिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग, है ना। और अभी कौन है? संगीता।
Hello, my name is Sangeeta Jadhav. Today I am talking about recreation story. In a village called Rampur, a girl named Sonam was living with her elderly grandmother. Her house condition was very bad. Her grandmother was very ill. Sonam was in charge of the house. There were some big industrial companies near her house village, as well as some chemical fertilizer industries. These companies start discharging sewage from their company into their river, and after effect was visible onto the people. People start getting sick and dying, and environment also get polluted. Sonam observed this and decided to complete her education and overcome these problems. For that, she start her higher education. After that, she start working in a small office in the same town. One day, her boss and teams got to know about her dream and start helping her to development Rampur. Her boss, Mr. Vijay Patil, helped to join municipal corporation as social worker. She developed school and hospital of the village. Seeing such a change in a village, people of the Rampur start loving her and ultimately elect her as a next Sarpanch of their village. Afterward, she continued her work for develop of her village. Thank you.
वेरी गुड। आज सबने अच्छा किया, पता है किसी कोई रह तो नहीं गया ना, सब हो गए ना। रूपाली रह गई। चलो, सबने अच्छा किया, मुझे मजा आया सबका सुन के। मतलब इम्प्रूवमेंट है ना, सब में इम्प्रूवमेंट है। बस थोड़ा थोड़ा सा सब में, जैसे लाइक संगीता अभी थोड़ा प्रोनाउंसिएशन में रुक रही है, थोड़ा रुक रही है। संगीता हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा रुक रही है, वहां पे थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट करेगी ना, नॉन स्टॉप बोलेगी तो दैट विल बी मच बेटर। कॉन्फिडेंट वाइज वेरी गुड। कस्तूरी का भी दोनों बेटर था। थोड़ा सा बेटर कर सकती थी एंड में, वो थोड़ा खराब हुआ। अनामिका भी वो अटक अटक के ना बोले ना, तो बाकी वो बहुत अच्छा कर रही है। वासंती का भी सही था। अश्विनी का तो वेरी गुड। ठीक है, सबने अच्छा किया है, और बेटर करो। बाय टाइम और निखर के आओ, ठीक है।
हाँ मैम।